got hiccups. Ah.
Bruh.
Where the F is my teammate? Shit. No! I thought I was gonna make it over there. Because I was like, my teammate's over here. Alright, let's use this. Jesus Christ.
Bruh.
I have hiccups. Oh look, there's a slow falling cloud in our game. You guys get it? God damn it! I hate getting hiccups. Where's my teammate? Looks like I have to go and find my teammate. Because he's in a battle. And he's dying. Fuck. Holy shit! Okay, guys, so I guess that's it for gaming tonight. And I've got some hiccup problems going on. Lots and lots of hiccups right now. It's very annoying. Y'all. Why aren't these hiccups going away? You hear these freaking annoying hiccups? Maybe it's because I ate my food too fast. Probably. Probably. Do you guys think? I have no idea. But anyways, so yeah. Oh my god, y'all. Let me just drink some water real quick. Okay. And we're gonna figure out if we should host anybody or raid anybody. Let's see who is in need of a host or raid. Offline? Okay, let's see. Who's online on Spellbreak? God damn it! These hiccups are the worst. The worstest of the worstest. Okay, let's see. David Hammer, he killed me. I killed him. We killed each other. Wow, so many people are streaming today, but nobody that I know. Other than Lucid. Let's see. But I raid him pretty often, so. Or I host him pretty often. God damn. Okay. We'll host Lucid. Yeah. All right, guys. I had a great stream. Have a good night, everyone. Enjoyed the host. Mwah, mwah. Good night, everyone. Bye.